Remember, I told I'll discuss about handsome and beautiful in my last video? That video is idioms, a beautiful idiom of the day. So if you have not watched that video, I'll give the link over here and go watch that video after this video. So don't skip this video now. So okay, in that video I told I'll discuss about handsome versus beauty in that video. So I'm there. Am I very beautiful today? I've dressed up very neatly for the video. Is it really beautiful for boys and men? Actually, beautiful is used for things, places, and women. And handsome is used for men and boys. So you can't call a man beautiful and you can't call men beautiful and you can't call a woman handsome. That's a very big blunder. Let me tell you all an example. I'm a handsome boy. And my friend Anamika, she's a girl. She's very beautiful. So, okay. I'll see you all tomorrow in my next video. Until then, tada bye bye, see you all. Bye bye, see you later. It's Itzmeyashwanth signing off from Itzmeyashwanth.